nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think. Hey, let it think, let it think, let it think.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. For today, we will cook this spicy mushroom chicken. Let's begin. Here are the ingredients. To start, add olive oil to your preheated frying pan. Then, sauté the garlic. Then add the onions. Followed by our green and red chilies. Sauté it well. Then let's now add our chicken breasts. Put 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Then add some pepper. Mix everything together and cover it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the mushrooms. Cook everything together for 15 minutes. Just stir it until it dries out. Once the chicken turned golden brown, we can now remove it from the heat. Let's now transfer it to our serving plate. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked this video.